Hi, I'm Barbara with Travel Tips and Info, and today I am going to show you the interior cabin 9234 on the Carnival Magic. We really like this ship. It's out of Port Canaveral, or it was when we took it in September of 2021, and we went on a 5-day to Bimini and Amber Cove. So we did have a balcony cabin, but I had the opportunity to see one of the interior cabins, and they are much smaller. So this is cabin 9234. It has two closets. Ours had 3, the balcony, but it does have a little dresser, which ours didn't have. So the area on either side of the bed is pretty small, as you can see. It has a smaller desk, but at least it does have a desk, and it has a few drawers there. And the bathroom is identical. So the bathrooms are actually pretty big, and you've got plenty of room on the counter. It's got glass shelves on both sides, and there's a little stopper thing on the shower to keep the water from coming out, which I love. So that is interior cabin 9234 on the Carnival Magic. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you'd like to read some of my blogs, go to traveltipsandinfo.com. Thank you and bon voyage!